The required measurements are shoulder divided by 2 plus sleeve length plus hem allowance 1.5, body, bust or waist or hip plus ease 4 inches or more divided by 4 plus side seam allowance 1 inch, round sleeve plus ease 2 inches or more divided by 2 plus sewing allowance 0.5 plus sewing allowance 1 inch, blouse length plus hem allowance 1.5 plus sewing allowance 0.5, bust point length plus sewing allowance 0.5, neck depth, neck width minus sewing allowance 0.5. Note, the body is either the bust or the waist or the hip. The biggest measurement is what you're going to use as the body of your jacket, if it is your bust or your waist or your hip. For my kimono blouse, I'm going to draw a line. That is going to be my starting line. From this line, I'm going to get my bust point length, which is 11. From the line, I'm going to get my blouse length, which is 27.5. I'm going to draw the lines. This is my shoulder line plus sleeve length line. This is bust point length line. This is blouse length line. I'm going to measure my neck width and my neck depth. Neck width is 2.5. Neck depth is 3 inches. Three inches for front, 1 inch for back. I'm going to draw my front. Then for the back, I'm going to draw it. I'm going to get my body on the bust point length line and on the blouse length line. The wideness of my kimono, which is my body, is 14.5. I'll mark the same down here. I'll connect the dots. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to measure my shoulder plus sleeve on this line. That is 24.25. From this line, I'm going to measure 1 inch downwards to slant the shoulder of the kimono. I'm going to connect this 1 inch to my neck width. From the slanted line, I'm going to measure my round sleeve, which is 9.75. Then I'm going to draw a straight line connecting it to the bust point length line. I'll draw a light curve here, a small curve. I can have 1 inch here and 1 inch here, then draw a curve. This is my center back. The center back is going to be on fold. To have my center front, I'm going to be joining another paper here. I'll fold this away. This is the way I join my paper. This is how I join my paper neatly. For a basic kimono blouse, you don't need to join the paper. You can use this first one with pattern for your front and your back. Your front will be on fold, your back will be on fold. Then the shape all round is the same. For the neckline, you're going to have this for your back, this for your front. You can make it wider or deeper depending on your preference. But for the wrap jacket kimono, the front is going to cross while the back is going to be on fold. So I'm going to have my front and my back on this paper. We're done with the back piece. For the front, we're going to add about 4 inches in front, or 5 inches Because there's going to be a band here, we're going to make the neck width wider. We're going to take out 1.5 inches here, then extend the blouse length line to the 5 inches that was measured earlier. The 1.5 that I measured, I'm going to connect it down to my 5 inches on the blouse length line. Please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you.